want the situational quietness, mental relaxation, intellectual subtlety, professional excellence, spiritual upliftment, vision of the God, or even the moksha or liberation from birth and death. Anything like this can be given by mantra. Even there are mantras through which you can get money. Mantras are there so that you can win the case. Mantras are there through so we can control somebody who is dominating upon you. You can control that person. Why it is so powerful? What is there in that mantra which makes it? How come the mantras are so powerful? You know what is the definition of mantra? One definition of mantra is that Adhidev Sambandha Upasthapaka mantra. That which connects to Adhidev is called mantra. In this world, there are infinite powers existing. Sun's power is almost infinite. The power of the earth is so big. Very big powers are existing. But it is not for me. So in this cosmos, there are a lot of energies are existing. This passion is what you want, it is in plenty is there. But everything is locked. Whole spiritual sadhana is to unlock something. Not to make something. It is to find out what was already there. You don't make anything new. When I move my tongue, then the words come out. So any kind of sound comes only when there is a displacement in the air. The sound is not the property of the air. Similarly, in the whole space, the words are already existing. Movement of this word, movement of something in the space only manifests that word. This word which is already existing in the space, which you are not able to hear, it is called anahat dhvani. Which you talk about, that is called laukik shabd. And something in the Vedas that is called Vedic Shabd. And therefore, it is said that nasvasti pratyay loke yah shabda anugamadrate. There is no pratyay, or there is no thought, or there is no movement which is not permeated by word or a sound. So there are two kinds of sound of every object. One is human made sound, other is nature made sound. The human made sound is given by his intellect, that this is called flower, this is called human being, this is man, this is woman, this is copy, this is pen. But when the displacement is in the air, that is called nature made sound. Human made sound has a language. This is a book. There is a subject, predicate. Verb is there. Nature made sound has no language. It's only cryptic sound. But very important point to understand is what? That sound and the object are not two. The mantra is not mere word. Mantra is a cryptic sound loaded with infinite power, which has the capacity to bring the God in front of you if you chant it with certain rules for a long time. It may have no grammar in it. Mantra is Reem. Mantra is I am. Don't see what is the meaning of. There is no meaning. Don't try to get the dictionary meaning of the Hrim and Am and Klim. In earlier days, mantra was so much rampantly used. People were very austere. So Pushpak Viman was running by mantras only. Like today's yantra. Earlier it was mantra. Because nowadays we don't have that purity, that austerity, that kind of tenacity to continue it. Mandukya Karika starts with this principle actually. Om iti etat aksharam idagam sarvam yad bhutam bhavad bhavishyaditi sarvam onkara eva. Everything is Om. In Om, all the mantras are there. Because when you chant Om from the vocal cord, Om, A to Ma, all the akshar is pronounced in Om. Om is the condensed form of all the words of the whole world. And because it is condensed form, therefore chanting Om. Tell me what will happen. Anything you can get by chanting of the Om also. It is for you. Please note. Purity in your living, dharma in your living. After that you have faith. After that you chant and you will see some miracle happening in your life. Either you become very quiet or your thought becomes very brilliant. All your situations become very quieter. Or you become very meditative. Or some question which was there, it will be answered in the dream. Or some devata will come and tell you something. This is the power of chanting the mantra. देखो ध्यान देना हमारी बात. There is something called mantra siddhi. Mantra siddhi is that in which the one who chants the mantra, number 2, the mantra, number 3, the guru of the mantra, number 4, the devata of the mantra, all become one. So the one who is chanting the mantra and one mantra is chanted, the thought pervades the whole mind. And the devata of the mantra starts blessing him in all ways. This is called mantra siddhi. People give life to realize the mantra. Now I will go through the meditation portion. Get every solutions from your chanting of mantra. It may be emotional problem, financial problem. Keep on asking. While chanting, keep on asking. Your prana, mind visualization and chanting, all should be one.